Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm here to show you how to use voice typing on Windows. So there is a shortcut here, so you can press the Windows key on your keyboard and H. So Windows key H, and then as you can see now, the uh, the talking thing is working now. So you can just press finish here and then send it up to Copilot. So the cool thing is you can use this at any point. So we can say if you want to start typing again, or if you want to start talking to type again, you can do Windows key H. Say hello to YouTube for us. This is AquaTechFantasy here. End it there, and you could press it there to Copilot. Hello to AquaTechFantasy and all the amazing viewers of YouTube channel. So yeah, that's cool right there. So you can basically use this tool on anything. So if you want to go to the browser here, you can go to the browser, and you can also go here to here, and then you can do Windows key H, music.youtube.com. All right, well, it was a little better before that. Let's see, backspace, uh, youtube.com. All right. So it's really quick, but anyway, that's how you get to it. It works on any application. So make sure if you want to use free voice to type, you can hit the Windows key plus H. I'm going to put it in the description below, and you can do it on Copilot because it's also a feature on here. As I don't know if you've seen the other video, but you can do this as well. And you can talk to it fluent messages here. But instead, if you don't want to pay for the full price one, you can just press the Windows key and H and say, hello, hey, how are you doing? Send it off. Sounds like you're trying to get your keyboard to cooperate, huh? Been there. But yeah, so anyway, that's how this all works. If you have any more questions, comments, concerns, leave it in the comment section. You already know what it is. Let's get it. Let's go. And I'm going to see you in the next video. All right. Peace.